So Sir BJ is here again. So let's have Mathematics 10. So para sa mga grade 10 dyan out there. So proceed tayo sa geometric sequence. So natapos na natin yung arithmetic and then sum of arithmetic sequence. So may pinakaiba tong dalawa. So but before that, let's recall what is arithmetic sequence. So si arithmetic sequence is the difference between the second term and then the first term, third term and then second term and then fourth term to third term. So ang sabi difference daw. So minus lang. So 10 minus 10 7 is 3. 13 minus 10 is 3. So 16 minus 13 is 3. That is the D, which is the common difference. So tandaan, kapag arithmetic sequence, common difference, siya yung 3. Okay. Proceed tayo sa geometric sequence. So kapag geometric sequence, it is the common ratio of the two succeed. Common ratio stands for R. So R natin, that will be the common ratio. So parang ganun din sa arithmetic sequence. Fourth term divided by third term divided by second term, and then second term divided by the first term. So kapag ganyan, so sa taas tayo kapag geometric sequence. So when we divide 54 divided by 18, so ang magiging sagot natin ay 3. So times 3 natin. So nga 18 times 3 is equal to 54. So 6 tayo para mag-get ng 18. Tama ba? Ang kanyang ratio is 3 din. And then 2 and 6 is 3 din. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 3 is 54. So yung 3 natin, yes, siya yung tinatawag na common ratio. Okay, so let's proceed to the formula of the geometric sequence. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So parang wala lang siya, ang pinakaiba lang nila ng arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is common difference, which is D. Kapag geometric sequence is R. So meron pa rin tayong the last term, the first term, the n term, and then n minus 1. So yun yung pagkaiba nila. So let's have our first example. So 3, geometric sequence 3, 12, 48, and 192. Okay, so anong gagawin to find the common ratio? So hanapin daw natin yung fifth term. So what is fifth term? 3, 12, 48, and then 192. So kung titignan natin, pwede natin agad i-divide si 12 sa 3. So ang sagot dyan ay 4. 48 divided by 12, 4 pa din. So 192 divided by 48, 4 pa din. So ang common ratio niya is 4. So let's have the given. So we're looking for the last term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking for the value of the last term. How about the first term, which is 3? Yung R natin, which is 4, the common ratio, yung dinivide natin yung second to first, third to second, and then so on and so forth. And then our n, the n term, so ilang term yan lahat? So 5. So with the use of the formula, by substituting, so a sub 5 is equal to the first term, which is 3, and then the common difference, which is 4, and then the n term, which is the n term, which is 5 minus 1. Ito yung formula natin. So kinuha lang natin yung mga given. So a sub 5 is equal to 3, and then 4. Unahin muna natin yung exponent. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So pag ganito, unahin muna natin yung ating exponent bago i-multiply sa ating whole number. So a sub 5 is equal to 3. So 4. So meron tayong 4 na 4. Kasi 4 yung exponent. So multiply natin yung 4, yung 4 sa 4 pa. So 4 times 4, 16. Times 4 is 56, and then 56 times 4 is 256. Okay, so now simplify. So a sub 5 is equal to 3 times 256 is 768. So paano naging ganyan? Kung by checking tayo, 192 times 4 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 9 is 36. Carry 3. So, 4 times 1 is 3. 4. Plus 3 is 7. 68. So, correct siya. So, kung i-multiply natin to by 4, so kung ayaw nyo gamitan ng formula, kasi ganyan pa naman, pwede naman. 192 times 4, 768 siya. Pero pwede use sa formula, ganyan yung magiging gawa niya. Okay, so our next geometric sequence, 8, 16, 32, and then blank. So we're looking to find the value of the fourth term. So what is the value of the fourth term? So n din natin is equal to 4. So a sub 1 natin is 8, which is the first term. How about the common ratio? So divide lang natin. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 32 divided by 16 is 2. So ibig sabihin, ang common ratio natin is 2. So with the use of the formula, so a sub 4, so fourth term, first term natin is 8 times the common ratio, which is r, then raised to n minus 1. N natin is 4 minus 1. So a sub 4 is equal to 8 multiplied by 2. So 4 times minus 1 is 3. So a sub 4 is equal to 8. So tatlong tig to 2. Exponent niya tatlo, 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So a sub 4 natin is equal to 64. So by checking, kung 32 times 2 natin, so the answer is 64. Okay, so our last example, so given pa rin geometric sequence 5, 10, and then 20. So we're looking for the fourth term. What is the value of fourth term? So n natin is 4 kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term. So a sub 1 natin is 5. And then how about our common ratio? So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then our common ratio is 2. With the use of the formula, so a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1, which is 5, multiplied by the common ratio, which is 2, and then our n is 4 minus 1. So a sub 4 is equal to 5. So 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. So laging uunahin yung exponent. I-simplify muna yung exponent. So ano tayo? PEMDAS. So a sub 4 now, so tatlong tig to 2 pa rin is 8. So our fourth term is 40, which is 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So, ito, kung multiply natin to, so 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 20 times 2, so the answer dapat dyan ay 40. So, paano naman kapag medyo mahaba-haba na yung geometric sequence? So, that is the next lesson, which is the geometric mean. So, huwag kakalimutang i-like, subscribe to my channel para masundan na tong lesson to. So, maraming salamat. I hope you learn a lot. So, goodbye!